Perched on a granite hilltop in eastern Portugal, Castelo Rodrigo is a living chronicle of the country's medieval past. Overlooking the wide plains that stretch toward the Spanish border, this remarkably preserved village combines dramatic landscapes with centuries of layered history. Its location alone tells a story. From here, one can see why generations chose this height as a strategic lookout, a natural bastion guarding the frontier. Castelo Rodrigo's origins predate Portugal itself. Archaeological traces suggest early settlement long before the Middle Ages, but it was during the medieval period that the village gained prominence. The imposing stone walls, still largely intact, once enclosed a fortified town essential to the defense of the kingdom. Walking through the gates today, visitors are greeted by narrow cobbled streets that wind between granite houses, many bearing coats of arms carved above doorways, silent witnesses to noble families and turbulent times. At the heart of the village lie the ruins of the old castle, from which Castelo Rodrigo takes its name. Though time has softened its towers and battlements, the site retains a powerful presence. From this vantage point, sweeping views open over vineyards, olive groves, and distant hills, offering a panorama that feels almost unchanged since medieval sentinels kept watch here. The surrounding landscape, shaped by agriculture and tradition, reinforces the sense of continuity between past and present. Religious and civic monuments further enrich the village's character. Small churches, such as the Church of Nossa Senhora do Rocamador, reveal a blend of Romanesque and Gothic influences, while the pillory in the main square recalls Castelo Rodrigo's former municipal authority. Each stone element reflects a period when the village held political, military, and economic importance in the region. Despite its historical weight, Castelo Rodrigo is not a static museum. Life continues at a gentle pace, marked by local festivals, traditional cuisine, and a close connection to the land. Almond trees blossom spectacularly in early spring, painting the surrounding countryside in soft whites and pinks, while autumn brings harvest colors and a sense of rural abundance. These seasonal rhythms lend the village a quiet vitality that complements its architectural grandeur. Today, Castelo Rodrigo stands as one of Portugal's most evocative historic villages, inviting visitors to slow down and immerse themselves in its atmosphere. Its charm lies not only in monuments and views, but in the harmony between stone, landscape, and memory. To wander its streets is to step into a place where history feels intimate and alive, offering a timeless portrait of Portugal's borderlands and enduring spirit.